Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, September 21st, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today, on the breakfast menu, it has listed waffles, cheese omelet, juice, and fruit. On the lunch menu, it has breaded beef patty, mashed potato and gravy, peas and carrots, fruit and juice. Wednesday's weather, it will be a hot one, a high of 96, a low of 74, a very small 5% chance of rain, and very, very sunny. Today's announcements, please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Teachers, make sure you're printing weekly grade books or keep an electronic copy from each week just in case. Also, continue sending your envelopes with the prize codes to the office in the snack bag. Your prizes will be delivered soon. Today's late duty is Miss Lee, tomorrow Miss Clark, and Friday Miss Blankenship. Important dates. Today is Fall Makeup Picture Day. September 27th is PST and Remy's for Teacher Lunch. September 30th is our favorite for the teachers, Feel Good Friday. October 3rd, we are excited to have an Environmental Center presentation for 2nd and 3rd grade. That's going to be in the morning. October 6th, we have our United Way Out of Uniform for a $2 donation. October 7th is the end of the first quarter. Hard to believe, it's just around the corner. October 10th, we have no school teacher workday. October 11th, the beginning of the second quarter. October 14th, 5th grade has a field trip to Davidson. October 17th through the 21st, we have the book fair. Also October 17th, we have the Red Cross Blood Mobile here for adults that would like to donate blood. October 21st, we have a Kona Ice Day. October 24th through 28th, we have Red Ribbon Week. We have a few birthdays today. So our Wednesday, September 21st birthdays are Madison Burks and Cohen Johnson. So happy birthday to these Shepherd Scholars. We have a shout out this morning from Miss Cunningham. This shout out is to Daryl Duncan. He found a piece of jewelry outside and turned it in to Miss Cunningham so it could get back to the person that lost it. It was such a kind thing to do to make sure that that person got their item back. So thank you, Daryl, for being so kind and conscientious about noticing that that item was lost and wanting it to get back to the person who was probably missing it really bad. All right, next up we have our AR Superstars. These friends have already met their quarterly goal. Wow, they are fast. And we know that many more will be joining them in the near future. In Miss Arch's class, we have Deanna Chung, Libby Jones, and Hayden O'Kane. In Barnes' class, Naomi Howell, Kamora Lynch. Bertolino, Jordan Fulton, Johnny Ramos. In Miss Hatcher's class, Ryan Rodriguez, Owen Wood. In Moore's class, Rowan Doe, Sunstall, Avari Grandison, Ashton Martin, Melanie Robinson, and Braden Rogers. Miss Smith will come around with the AR cart this morning, and congratulations to all of you who have met your AR goal. Looking forward to having an even longer list for next week. Also, we are still taking questions in our question of the day jar. So the question of the day jar is in the library. If you have a question, if you're curious about something, you want to know how something works, why is the sky blue? I don't know, lots of different questions available. There's a question jar located in the library. So write your question on a slip of paper and drop it off in that jar in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a happy Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.